I have an input to give you guys. Please add this to the inputs that you already know and try to answer the question with the correct answer option. Okay. So model 2, you can see here 3 statements and 4 conclusions. Okay. Guys, 3 statements are speaking about how many terms? Mangoes, bananas, lemon, and apple. Okay, 4. So you can see 4 words over there, 4 different kind of words: mangoes, bananas, lemons, and apples. Okay, I'm telling it once again. Please remember it carefully. We have 4 parameters. Okay, absolutely 4 parameters will not have relation with each other. Okay, I'm telling you, absolutely all the 4 parameters will not have relation with each other. Means mangoes may have relation with banana, may not have relation with lemon, may not have relation with apple. Okay. If you are considering a particular word or particular parameter, they may have relation with the remaining three. They may not have relation with the remaining three. Okay. So you don't need to worry about anything, guys. Whatever the statement is saying, draw the diagram for exactly the same thing. Okay. Here we are going to draw only one single basic diagram depending upon the information given in the statements. Based on that only we are supposed to answer the question. Okay. If conclusion is speaking about some other word which is not there in the statements, or if conclusion is speaking about some other relation which is not clear in the statements, we can't say that that conclusion is true, because there is a possibility that it can be true, and there is also equal possibility that it can't be true. Okay. What are the two things that we can notice here in the syllogisms concept? They may have relation, may not have relation, that's it. Okay. If they have relation, that is 50% or 100% or 90%, whatever it is, that will not count, that will not be counted. We have only two things. The circle may have intersection. Intersection means some relation is there. May not have relation. May not have relation means they are not at all related, that's it. I'm telling you once again, guys. uh, 4 parameters or 5 parameters or 6 parameters, any parameters given in the question, absolutely they might not be having the relation with each other. Okay. Based on some connection, other parameter may have relation with it and may not have relation with it. If you see the statements here, mangoes and bananas are having relation. Lemons and mangoes are having relation. That means if you consider the intersection part of mangoes and bananas, lemons may have relation with bananas. If you are not considering the intersection part, lemons may not have relation with bananas. Got the point, guys? Look for the statements. Mangoes and bananas are having relation. And next one, lemons and mangoes are having relation. Okay. If you see that mangoes and lemons intersection, then you can say that lemons and bananas are having relation. So I told you already, whatever the number of statements given, whatever the parameters given, we are going to draw only one possible diagram based on the statements given. Whatever the information in the statements, exactly draw the diagram for that. Remaining things you need to assume. So no need to draw other possible diagrams also. If you try other possible diagrams, one question is equal to 4 different questions, guys. You can see the conclusions and 4 parameters are there. So expectations with basic diagram only, you are supposed to understand what can be possible, what cannot be possible. Okay. Huh? How come you can give answer so fast? Okay, Tarun. Let's see what's the answer. If you want, you can change the answer option also. Okay. Some mangoes are bananas. Some mangoes are bananas means mango circle is having relation with banana circle. Done. Some lemon are mangoes. Some lemon are mangoes. Guys, I have told you already, if you are considering this intersection part, lemon and banana will be also having a relation. But whatever the statement is saying, I am drawing the diagram for that only exactly. Okay. Now, from this diagram, you can understand that if you are considering the intersection part of mango and banana, lemon can have relation with banana, but that's not shown in the statement. So you are not supposed to draw imagining that there is a relation. So you can understand that they might be related, might not be related. Chances there. Okay. Next. Third one, all the apples are lemons. Okay. You can place apples here in the intersection part and say that apples and mangoes are having relation, or otherwise you can place here and say that apples and mangoes are not having relation. If you place lemons in the intersection part of mangoes and bananas and apples in that intersection part, you can feel that apples are related to mangoes and bananas also. Okay. Overall, mangoes and bananas are having connection. That's it. Next. Lemons and mangoes should have connection. Okay. Next, last one. Apples are lemons. All the apples should like completely inside the lemons. Whatever is the statement saying, exactly the same thing I have depicted, guys. I should not imagine based on the intersection part or based on anything. Why? Because I have told you already, if you are imagining regarding the intersection part, that is your imagination. That is not true. Means that is possible. No need to draw the diagram. You can understand that it is possible and maybe relation is there, may not be relation is there. Okay. So now conclusion. Some apples are mangoes. Some apples are mangoes means actually there is no direct relation in the statements. The relation between apples and mangoes. If you place this apples here in the intersection part, some apples are mangoes is correct. Okay. Now some apples are mangoes is only 50% correct, guys. Because you are not sure that there is relation between apples and mangoes. I can tell you that it is 50% correct. They may have relation, may not have relation. Okay. Next, second one. Some apples are bananas. Some apples are bananas means apples and bananas. This is also the same thing. If you place lemons in this intersection part and apples in the intersection part, you can feel that apples and bananas are having relation. But here, apples and bananas, they may have relation based on the intersection, may not have relation if they are not into that category. So this is also possible, but 50%. Okay, next. Some lemons are apples. Some lemons are apples is 100% true, right? Why? Because there is intersection part of lemons and apples. I can see all the apples are inside completely the lemon circle. So some lemons are apples is 100% true. The statement is 100% true. Okay, next. No lemon is a banana. No lemon is a banana means they are saying that there is no relation between lemon and banana. But if you take the intersection part of mango and banana, you can expect a relation between lemon and banana also. So no lemon is a banana means they may have relation, may not have relation. Why you are saying it is 50%, guys? Because you can't deduce that conclusions directly from the options. That's the reason. Okay, whatever the conclusion I have written there 50%, that is not very clear in the statements are not at all saying completely clear information regarding that conclusion. They release 50% of the information because intersections are there for the other parameters. If you are going with intersection of other parameters, then you can say that they have relation. If you are not including that, then you can say that there is no relation. So which conclusion is true, guys? Only conclusion 3 is true. Where is that option? Okay, last one. Only 3 follows. Only conclusion 3 follows. Got the point, guys? If yes, please raise the hands. In model 2, we are not supposed to draw anything. Whatever the statement is given, exactly draw the diagram for that. Okay? Don't connect anything based on the intersection. That is possibility. You should not represent that in the diagram. We'll draw one more question, like one more question of this model. Then you can understand better. Okay. One more question, guys. Let's not take more time. Exactly whatever statements are saying, draw that. Don't follow the intersection points. Some cakes are pipes. So some cakes are pipes. Done. Next. Some pipes are guns. Some pipes are guns. Done. All guns are ducks. All guns are ducks. Done. Okay. So this is the diagram. Whatever the statements given, some cakes are pipes, some pipes are guns, and all the guns are ducks. I have depicted in the diagram, guys. And you should not worry about the intersection part. If you are taking the intersection part of cakes and pipes for guns, you can feel that cakes, pipes, guns are having relation, and even ducks also. Okay. This is the basic diagram they have given for the statements. So check for the conclusion, guys. Some cakes are guns. Some cakes are guns means there is a chance that relation between cakes and guns is there. If you are considering this intersection part of cakes and pipes, that means 50% chance is there. Okay. Next, some pipes are ducks. Some pipes are ducks. This part of pipes are ducks, right? Some pipes are ducts means this part of pipes is ducts, right? So conclusion 2 is 100% true. Some pipes are ducts means the part of pipes are having relation with the ducts. So second conclusion is 100% true. Check for the third one. Some cakes are ducts. Here also the same thing, guys. A statement is not saying direct information between relation of cakes and ducts. So it is 50%. They may have relation, may not have relation. Okay. Next, no pipe is a duck. No pipe is a duck is 100% false. Why? Because you can clearly see that there is some relation between pipe and duck. So this is 100% false, guys. What's the answer for the question? Answer for the question is option option. Okay, B. Option B, only two follows. Option B, only two follows. Got the logic of the question, guys? If yes, please raise the hands. Second model, how you need to solve? Just draw the Venn diagram for whatever the information they have given. The rest of the parameters, don't worry, considering the intersection parts. They may have relation, may not have relation. Just follow the conclusions. Whichever you can derive 100%, those conclusion follows. Other conclusions, they can't have a chance. It is only 50%.